Good morning, good afternoon once again, my fans, my family. Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's video, we are going to look at how to analyze the markets, and we are here on VIX 75 on a weekly time frame. I have decided to begin with a higher time frame, and as you can see, we are in a downtrend where we are having the lower highs and lower lows, right? The lower low, lower high, right? And the current market price has just grabbed liquidity right here, right? Liquidity has been grabbed and price has just come back to the zone, right? And if you can see this moving average in here, you can see that doji bullish candle, which signals a reversal to the downtrend. Remember, the directional bias is the downtrend, right? So that's on weekly. These two lines you are seeing, I'm just marking. Whenever you see these lines, these red lines, I'm just marking the key zones, right? So let me add on the third zone, which will trigger my sell entry on lower time frame. What you do, you just tap here in between of rather on the middle of your screen, then you go here, then you go to this one, the horizontal line, then you can put it in here, right? So I'm marking mainly the candle closures. Okay, so here where price rejected, pushed up, and price just came back and had to reach just down here, right? So the other zone I'm trying to look at is this one. You can see it was highly respected here, all right? So let's go to daily, and we see I'm already doing the top-down analysis all the way from weekly. We've known that on VIX 75 we are in a downtrend. So let's go to daily. So on daily, this is what you can see. Let me first zoom or scroll my phone horizontal or horizontally. You can see what's happening. Because of the other pullback on a weekly, it was what we are seeing as, can you see this? Like this one, a break of structure to the downside. It signals as if we are in an uptrend, but we have come to know from weekly that we are in a downtrend. You can expect something like this. Price comes here, right? That's when it can break. Defying this on H4, you can see we are still in a downtrend, and the other uptrend on daily was just violating the directional bias because of the liquidity grab, right? And, another key zone I can mark on H4 is this one. I'll draw a horizontal, then this line we separate it. Let me just put it in a different color. Let me say maybe blue here. Then done, you can see. So this is an H4 zone. Remember, we are waiting for price to retest. Price may not necessarily tap into this order block, but may can as well tap here and reverse. So we have to be patient and wait for what price action is going to tell us. We follow what price is going to tell us. We do not follow what we think. We just wait and see how the market will play out. So you may be wondering, why have we marked this zone? You can see this was respected here, respected here, respected here, here, and it was broken. So once what was previously a support zone has been broken, we expect it to be a resistance zone, and we normally buy from the discount and discount zone. When I talk of a discount zone, I hope you know what I mean. Rather, we buy from the discount and we sell from the premium zone. All right, so let's go to H1. It looks as if VIX 75 is also cooking buys on H1. So what I can do, I can pull out my horizontal zone and I mark the key level here. You can see the key level is in here. Why? You can see price respected here. That's a key zone I'm looking at, and I will be targeting something like this. Let me see another key zone here. I can also target this area. You see this order block. Okay. Are you seeing that order block, guys? So I'm looking at that order block because it was respected. If you can check, this zone is very key. Look here, guys. So that's why I'm interested in that zone and here. So I'm waiting for a pullback, and already you can see price has broken, closed past the moving average here. Price has closed past the moving average, so I will be waiting for a pullback, then I can buy. The other TP1 should be here. TP1 should be around this zone. Okay, this is TP1, then this one can be TP2, this one can be TP1. Okay, if you don't have an account with the delive.com, I will leave a link in the description. And if you have enjoyed this kind of video, please like, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Good luck. I love you.